There are many things which makes me to be proud of being a woman. First of all, a woman is a mystery. Nobody can tell how a woman was created, even a man. Because when God created a woman, he causes a man to sleep so that he can see the creation of a woman. There are so many things uNkulunkulu azifaka kumuntu wesifazane. Beauty. I can wash while cleaning. I can cook while bathing the kids at the same time. So a woman is a mystery. I can say to all the women, you must find your identity, know who you are, and don't look down upon yourself. And nowadays, you can be able to do what you couldn't do before. You can do what men are doing today. You can enter into the doors where you couldn't enter before. You must know your identity. Go get whatever you want to do. You are able to do it. You are capable to do it. You can do whatever that is in your mind. Just stand up and rise from your dust, rise from your shame, and be whatever you want to be in life. You can do it.